Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the Bullets Wireless Z2 ready and pairing them to your phone. First, make sure the earbuds have at least 20% charge and that your phone's Bluetooth is on. This prevents disconnects while configuring voice access. Then press and hold the power button until the LED flashes, which indicates pairing mode. Once done, open Bluetooth settings on your phone and choose Bullets Wireless Z2. This links audio and control channels, which lets voice commands pass through the headset. Once paired, you enable the voice assistant integration so commands work through the Z2. Go to your phone's app and privacy settings to grant microphone and assistant permissions. Without them, the assistant can't hear you. Next, open the Bluetooth device options for Bullets Wireless Z2 and assign the preferred trigger, for example a long press or double tap, to launch Google Assistant or Assistant of choice. After configuring, test the invocation with a sample command to confirm the trigger, and now you use the assistant for hands-free tasks and know what to do if it fails. Use the assign trigger or the wake phrase and speak clearly toward the mic. Proximity improves recognition. If it doesn't respond, make sure to toggle Bluetooth off and on, repair the bullets, and restart your phone. These steps resolve most connection or profile glitches. Finally, if problems persist, update the earbuds firmware in the OnePlus app to fix known bugs and restore reliable voice control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.